Hey, what's up, everyone? So it's your boy Yashvi Gaming. Well, hello, everyone. Um, if you're new to this channel, guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, like the video, share the video, and subscribe. And also ring that bell notification because whenever I drop a brand new video, it's you who's gonna get notified. Okay, it's you who's gonna get all my notification posts. Alright, so without any further ado, an unboxing video, and I'm also gonna test whether it works or not. Okay, so I've purchased the Sceptre monitor, okay, a gaming edgeless monitor from Amazon. Alright, it's 165 refresh rate, and can't wait to test it. Okay, alright, so yeah. Now I'm gonna flip the camera. Okay guys, so I've purchased this. Alright, so the brand name is Sceptre or Sceptre. Okay, it's a 25-inch edgeless gaming monitor. Alright, as you can see here, Full HD 1080p, 165 refresh rate, 1 ms response time, and it has AMD Freesync Premium, and it's based off edgeless design. Alright, so let's open this up and we shall see. Alright, right here we have a caution: do not press panel glass, lift from bottom. Oh wow, this is beautiful. Alright, here we have some paperwork. Okay, so you can see the book. Alright, we have all the tools. We've got a pair of screwdriver. We've got a few screws and the cable. Okay, one HDMI and the power cable as well. Here we've got, I think this is a stand. It's an arm stand. So this is where alright, and we've got this. Alright, so it is really satisfying to know this that this thing goes into the back of the monitor, where you will be able to mount it on a monitor. Alright, so that's all. Now we're gonna remove this from the plastic. Alright, and of course it is sealed with this paper plastic, so you'll have to remove that later. But first, I'm gonna turn the screen around and I'll show you. Here you have the basic inputs: HDMI 1, alright, HDMI 2, HDMI 2.0, 1.2. This is a display port and the display port, and we have audio out as well for cables. This is a DC power, and the power plug goes in here. Alright guys, according to the booklet, so this is right here, page 9. Okay, installing the monitor stand assembly. Okay, so you can see this long stand. It goes in this. Alright, and then the second, you're gonna secure by adding a screw here, and this is how it mounts. And oh wow, so this, it has a LED, like a RGB. As the monitor has, as you can see here, this will light up Amazing, alright? Both sides. Okay, that looks cool. Okay, so how you gonna do that? So as you can see, I've aligned this at my table. I've pushed it nearly here, and now I can easily mount this up, align it. Okay, align those screws. I think it's good. Like, you can adjust that. You can tilt it back and forth. Now let's push it up and let's see how it looks. Alright, so this is how it looks. Okay, so this is a maximum that I have pushed it up. I've pushed the monitor up. So now if I wanna push it down, all I can do is trying to reduce it down. Okay, like this. And this is alright, and this is a DC power. Oh shoot. Damn, why is it has to be 2? Look at that. Look at my wall plug right here. There are 3. Okay. Shit, man. Now I'll have to get an adapter. Alright, so I've got an adapter. Okay. A wall 3 adapter. Okay. And look at that. Who's that? This is Buzul. Alright, I've turned on the power. Okay, and yeah, I press the power. Oh yeah, hell yeah, it works. Okay, no signal as you can see. I have still did not remove this plastic. Alright, this plastic. So I'm gonna leave it for a while just to. I know, right? I should remove it, but I will not because I have another box right here. Alright, I have another box just dropped through FedEx today, just arrived. So I'm gonna peel this off. I'm gonna unbox that monitor on this. Alright.